Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Leo for month of January 2026. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So in this reading we will see the overall energy for Leo for Jan 2026, the key challenges and obstacles, the actions or advice, your strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the oracle deck, so please do stay till the end. So let's see what the cards have for Leo. Okay, for January 2026. Okay, overall energy for Leo, please. Wow. Okay, overall energy for Leo, please. January. This card wants to come. Okay, please clarify the Emperor card as the overall energy for Leo. Please clarify the Emperor card as the overall energy for Leo. Okay. Alright, let's see what are the key challenges or obstacles we have for Leo in Jan 2026. Key challenges or obstacles for Leo in Jan 2026. Key challenges or obstacles for Leo in Jan 2026. Key challenges or obstacles. Okay. Let's see what's the action or advice we have for you. What are the actions you need to take? What's the advice we have for you, Leo? January. What the actions and advice we have for you? What's for the action and advice for Leo in January? Actions or advice for Leo in January. Okay, please clarify Ace of Pentacles. Please clarify Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Oops. I don't take the cards in reverse, so I'll not take it. Alright. Now let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have for Leo. Okay, please clarify the Hierophant or the strengths and opportunities for Leo. Please clarify the Hierophant, the strengths and opportunities for Leo. Please clarify the Hierophant. Okay, let me adjust the cards a bit. Okay. And now the probable outcome. What's the probable outcome for Leo in January for the situations Leo is going to come across? Situations or challenges. What are the probable outcome for Leo in January? What are the probable outcome we have for Leo in January? What's the probable outcome for Leo we have in January? What's the probable outcome we have for Leo for January? Okay. Sorry, the power fluctuated. So, alright, one more clarifier to Six of Swords. Please clarify Six of Swords. So, outcome for Leo. Please clarify Six of Swords as the outcome for Leo for January. Please clarify. Yep. Okay. So, Leo, for you, the overall energy for January is, you need to, first of all, you will feel free. Okay, आपको अगर लग रहा है कि आप फंस गए हो किसी सिचुएशन में and you cannot do anything about a particular thing or particular situation. It can be workplace, it can be a relationship, it can be health related concern, and you think like nothing is in your hand and you are stuck in that situation or the challenge which you are facing. Okay, ignore the background noise, there is some construction going on, so Yeah, that's the noise. So you might feel that you are stuck in a situation and you can't do anything about it. You can't set yourself free, and it's like किसी ऐसा ऐसा है कि किसी चीज से आप बंधा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हो, कि मैं फंसा हुआ हूँ यहाँ पे या फंसी हुई हूँ. I can't set myself free until and unless these people or the situation you are in, people around, they themselves set you free. You can't be free, right? उस तरह का energy है, तो you need to change that. Okay, you might feel that there are challenges coming your way, but you need to use your wisdom. You need to use your experiences, your lessons, and accordingly fight with the situation or the challenges coming your way. Okay, so it's like you don't have to give up. Okay, you have to give your best. आपको अपनी तरफ से efforts डालना है, आपको give up नहीं करना है situation में. और it's in your hand to set yourself free, because see, these people, their hands are free. Whenever they want, they can take the chain out, right, and set themselves free, but they are not doing it because they think they are not having that strength, or they are not free to do that, but their hands are free, their hands are not tied, right? So whenever they want, they can come out of this situation. That means you need to change your perspective, right? तो आपको ये नहीं सोच के बैठना है कि जब होगा तब देखा जाएगा. उस तरह से आपको हर चीज किस्मत के भरोसे नहीं छोड़नी है. आपको अपनी तरफ से जितने एफर्ट्स करने की जरूरत है, उस चीज पे तो आपको थोड़ा सा काम करने की जरूरत है. ओके, मे बी coming out of a toxic connection, coming out of a toxic workplace, maybe you may be planning ki I will get into discipline once everything. For example, just a small example I'm giving, कि आप सोच रहे होगे कि I'll start hitting the gym once I am free from this, from this workplace. Once I get some another job, I will change. I will start focusing on my health. Once I am out of this toxic connection, I'll start focusing on my well-being. So don't wait. Okay, don't wait. Whenever you want, you can bring that change in your life which you are looking for. Okay, so उस तरह की energy है. So you will be able to overcome the challenge, but you need to put efforts. Okay, उस तरह का है. That is what the message is I'm getting. Okay, at the same time, you have to don't let your feminine energy dominate the masculine energy, and the masculine energy dominate the feminine energy. आपको किस सिचुएशन में किस तरह से आपको रिएक्ट करना है, रिस्पॉन्ड करना है, वो आपको सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंगली you have to decide. Okay, don't let others dominate you, and at the same time don't try to dominate the other person. Okay, so you have to create a balance is also what I am seeing here for you. Okay, so जो भी है, हो सकता है कोई habit है आपका which is not good for your health, and maybe long screen hours, right? It is not good for your eyes, it's not good for your health, right? But आप उसको बोल रहे हो कि ठीक है, I'll do it after आज देख लेते हैं, आज 4 hours continuously you are watching Netflix or something, and you're like, okay, I have watched enough, tomorrow I'll not do. And tomorrow you're again doing the same thing, right? So it's like something which is not good for you and something which is making you feel stuck. You need to bring that change in yourself, in your routine, in setting yourself free by changing your perspective. उस तरह की चीज है जिस पे आपको ध्यान देने की जरूरत है in January. Okay, so that the situation or the people around don't control you. You know where you are stuck, what action or efforts you have to put in, so that you come out of that toxic or painful cycle. Okay, now the challenge here is for you, Leo, is that आपके पास हो सकता है कई ऑप्शंस हो, कई चॉइसेस हैं इन जिसमें आपको चूज करना है. ओके, मे बी एज आई सेड, आपके पास हो सकता है आप अपने टॉक्सिक वर्क कल्चर से निकल कर किसी नया जॉब में आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो, एंड यू माइट बी गेटिंग जॉब ऑफर्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, एंड यू नीड टू मेक अ वाइज चॉइस. ओके, एज आई सेड, आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंस, अपने नॉलेज, अपने एक्सपीरियंस को, अपने लेसन्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको डिसीजन लेने की जरूरत है. एट द सेम टाइम, आई ऑल्सो सी दैट you will be focusing on ki when will I get that recognition, when will I be able to rewarded, when will I be rewarded for my hard work, for my efforts, when will my work be acknowledged. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है। सो उसमें थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, तो वो आपके लिए थोड़ा सा फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग हो सकता है, ठीक है। एट द सेम टाइम आई ऑल्सो सी कि अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे चॉइसेस है तो आप डिसीजन लेने में थोड़ा सा उस चीज़ को और डिले करोगे, ओके। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दैट वेटिंग पीरियड विल अगेन इंक्रीज एंड दैट विल अगेन result into frustration, okay, because the things are not moving how you want the things to move, and जिसकी वजह से you might feel that delays and there is delay। maybe आप किसी recognition, promotion या किसी एक्नॉलेजमेंट का वेट कर रहे थे, यू नो, वो थोड़ा सा डिले होता हुआ दिख रहा है, जिसकी वजह से आप थोड़ा सा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फील कर सकते हो। ऑल्सो आई सी दैट यू आर डूइंग योर एफर्ट्स, यू आर गिविंग योर बेस्ट, बट आपके रिवॉर्ड्स, आपके एफर्ट्स को एक्नॉलेज नहीं किया जा रहा है, आपके रिवॉर्ड्स आपको उस स्पीड में नहीं मिल रहे हैं या उस टाइम लाइन में नहीं मिल रहे हैं जिसमें आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया था। तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर कैन बी सम काइंड ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन अराउंड, बट एज आई सेड, you need to put efforts and keep going. You don't have to give up. You will overcome all the challenges, but it might take some time is what I'm getting here for you, okay. For the action and advice for you, Leo, I see is things are changing, okay. First of all, that जो भी आप challenges आप फेस कर रहे थे या आप डील कर रहे थे, इट्स गोइंग टू एंड, द टफ टाइम इज कमिंग टू एन एंड, एंड द थिंग इज थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग, द टाइम इज चेंजिंग इन योर फेवर, द wheel is turning in your favor, okay. You have the support of the universe, your enemies are coming down and things are working, okay. It's a divine timing, okay. Things will happen at its own divine time, but आपको अपने efforts देना है, ओके, उस पर आपको गिव अप नहीं करना है। ऑल्सो आई सी दैट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन योर सेविंग्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट। आपको थोड़ा, अगर आप बजट नहीं बनाते हो तो यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन योर बजटिंग ऑल्सो, दैट हाउ मच यू आर अर्निंग, हाउ मच यू आर स्पेंडिंग, हाउ मच यू आर सेविंग, वेयर यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट, हाउ मच यू शुड इन्वेस्ट, व्हाट इज द रिटर्न। सो आपको हर उस चीज़ को एनालाइज करते हुए, सिचुएशन को ऑब्जर्व करते हुए फिर कोई डिसीजन लेने की जरूरत है। आई ऑल्सो सी दैट देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ यू नो अनएक्सपेक्टेड इनकम कमिंग इन। मे बी आपने कहीं इन्वेस्ट किया है और आप उसको भूल गए हो, तो उसका कुछ रिवॉर्ड्स और रिटर्न्स आने के चांसेस है। सडन इनकम इज व्हाट आई एम सीइंग हियर फॉर यू लियो। तो हो सकता है यू नो कि आपको, मे बी आप कहीं इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, आप कहीं इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको बहुत यू नो उसको एनालाइज करके, एज आई सेड, एनालाइज और ऑब्जर्व करके आपको इन्वेस्ट करने की जरूरत है। बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर कैन बी गुड रिटर्न्स coming your way in terms of the financial gain, okay, monetary gain is what I see here for you. Also I see that for some of you, you might be getting a good job opportunity, so you need to grab that opportunity. You don't have to just ignore it. You don't have to do that, okay. So अगर आप job का wait कर रहे हो, there are very good chances that you might get the opportunity, but you have to grab it, okay. Don't let कि don't delay it, कि I'll see it tomorrow. You never know, if you miss it, it might, you know, it might be given to somebody else. So if that is something you're looking for, there are good chances of getting some kind of unexpected and sudden gains is what I'm seeing here for you, Leo. Now coming to your strength and opportunities, you will be able to balance things, but there will be some delays, as I said, right. आप जिस टाइमलाइन पे अपने रिवॉर्ड्स, रिकॉग्निशन, प्रमोशन, एप्रिसिएशन आप वेट कर रहे थे, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिले है, जिसकी वजह से आप थोड़ा सा टायरिंग और फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फील कर सकते हो, बट यू डोंट हैव टू गिव अप। मे बी आपने अभी जितना एफर्ट्स डाला है उसका आपने सिर्फ 10% ही रिजल्ट देखा है, एंड यू आर वेटिंग फॉर द कंप्लीट 90% इज when will I get the rewards for my hard work is what you are waiting for. But you don't have to give up, as I said, okay. So things will work out in your favor, but it will take some time, but it will definitely happen. Your results are there, nobody can take it away from you, okay. So don't give up, just keep going, keep putting efforts, and whatever you have been working on, you will definitely get the rewards for it. Also I see for some of you, there can be something which can be disclosed to you, and you need to handle that situation with so much of care, maturity, and have with that leadership quality, okay. For some of you, I see that you might be given some role, or मे बी आपके फैमिली में कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है जहाँ पे आपको एक पर्टिकुलर तरह की कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपको दे दी जाए, एंड पीपल विल बी लुकिंग एट यू for some kind of that what is that with what Leo is going to say, or what Leo is going to do, and we are ready to listen to to what Leo is saying, something like that is going to happen. But when you are taking any such kind of responsibility, or you're going to take any kind of decision like that, try to create a balance between your mind and heart, okay. Don't let one thing overpower you. It's like creating balance between logic and emotion, okay. So just try to keep that in mind. For some of you, I see that you might be taking care of kids, and you need to be very, at the same time you have to be parent, at the same time you have to be like a friend to them, and at the same time you have to, guide them patiently, right? So you have to be very patient, logical, and हर तरह से आपको सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने की जरूरत है, इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू. सो दिस इज, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. ओके, इट्स नॉट दैट यू वोंट बी एबल टू डू इट. थोड़ा सा हो सकता है कुछ नया हो completely आपके लिए to deal with, but you will be able to deal with that, effortlessly, and successfully you will be completing that responsibility. But don't get frustrated when you don't see the result immediately. Okay, your results may take little bit of time, but you will definitely get the result of your hard work also, is what I'm getting. The outcome for you, Leo, in January is I see that you are moving towards a calmer water. Okay, maybe आप अगर किसी toxic work culture में हो, या ऐसी situation में हो जहाँ पे people or the situation is very difficult for you to deal with, you will be able to overcome or leave that situation or that connection, or leaving that circle which is toxic to you and difficult to deal with, and you are choosing to move away from something which is very difficult to deal with, like something which is causing you emotional, you know emotionally you're not feeling good, you feel imbalanced, you are feeling disturbed, not able to sleep properly, not able to focus completely. So you are choosing to walk away from that situation which is not making you feel good. Okay, so you are choosing to move towards a calmer water. Maybe आपका, for some of you it can be leaving a toxic work culture. Again I'm saying, I'm getting it again and again, कि आप कहीं आपका relocation हो सकता है, आप कहीं place में आप कहीं shift कर सकते हो, आप relocate कर सकते हो, आप job change कर सकते हो, और maybe for some of you, for very specific, that you are leaving a toxic relation in your life because it is not giving you that emotional peace which you are looking for. Okay, and it has been really difficult for you to deal with that, in that relation or with that person, and you are now choosing to leave that group or that person or connection and moving towards something which will give you that peace, that emotional peace which you are looking for. Okay, and this decision is going to be a very thoughtful decision. It is not something that you're going to take in a hurry or in anger, or something like that. It's going to be a very logical, thoughtful decision which is good for your long run. Okay, is also what I'm seeing. You are ready to explore something which is more fulfilling to you, more maybe bring some kind of adventure in your life, or something which gives you peace. Okay, at an emotional level. Maybe for some of you, you might plan to travel to a you might plan to travel to a place which is more full of adventure, and something something like exploring the unknown, right? उस तरह की energy है. So that is what I am getting here for you, Leo. So you are ultimately choosing to walk away from that situation, and which means you are ready to set yourself free from that connection which is heavy on you to deal with, and you are ultimately walking away from something which is not making you feel fulfilled at an emotional level. Okay, that's a good energy, Leo. That's a good energy. Now let's see what's the guiding message we have for you, Leo. What's that guiding message we have for you? What is the guidance we have for you for January? Okay, trader. See, so it says exchange energy to create abundance, right? So energy exchange is like, if you give love, you will receive love. That's the law of universe, right? So energy exchange is to create abundance. This card is not talking about only money exchange. Okay, it also talks about if you want to receive love in your life, you need to learn to give love to others. Okay, maybe aap it's not only giving to others, it's also giving to yourself. That love, care, concern जो आप दूसरों को देते हो, वो आपको खुद को देने की भी जरूरत होती है, right? So that is also the message I'm getting here for you. So try to be grateful for what you have, be in that frequency of having gratitude for everything you are blessed with. Okay, and also try to try to be grateful for every single thing you are blessed with. Maybe a good day, right? You had a good day, you are having a perfect body, you are having everything, a basic thing which many people might pray for, right? So just start changing your perspective, start being grateful for everything, and you will start seeing changes in your frequency, is also what I'm getting here for you. All right, so you need to give is what you want to get, right? So don't Don't be in that energy of focusing on lack कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है, you know, that person has this person has that, I don't have it. Don't be in that frequency of lack. Rather change your perspective and come into that frequency of being grateful for everything you are having, and you will start changing and attracting the things which are good for you. Okay, so that's the energy I have for message I have for you, Leo. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Don't forget to claim the positive energy from this reading. Bye bye.